At the end of the week, I often have odds and ends left over from previous meals that I've made that I'm not always sure what to do with. So today I'm going to show you how to take those leftover ingredients and turn them into a delicious frittata that's great to eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In today's video, I'll show you my preferred method to get a perfect frittata every time with no flipping required. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let me show you how I prepare it. To start with this recipe, you'll need to crack 12 eggs into a large bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste and whisk until all of the yolks and the whites are well mixed together. Today I'll be sharing with you a frittata made with bacon, spinach, and cheddar, but you can make this recipe your own by adding any vegetables or protein you like or have on hand. Once we start the cooking process, things are going to come together pretty quickly, so you'll want to get your ingredients prepped ahead of time. You'll start by rinsing the spinach and allowing it to dry a bit. If you'd like to know where I got this salad spinner, I'll leave a link to it in the description below, along with any other tools I use in this recipe. While that's drying, you'll want to slice 6 pieces of bacon into small strips and set aside. Next, grate 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I'm using an aged cheddar today because I really love the flavor it gives to this recipe, but you can use whatever you have. Now we can put it all together. Set a 10-inch skillet on medium heat and add your bacon to the pan. Cook the bacon until it's almost crisp and then turn off the heat. Move the bacon to one side and tilt the pan using a paper towel to remove some of the excess fat. Add in a few big handfuls of spinach and allow it to wilt for a couple of minutes. At this point, you'll turn the heat back on to continue cooking. Once the spinach is wilted, you can pour in the eggs. You'll want to start by stirring the eggs around a bit as if you were going to scramble them, but stopping while the mixture is still quite runny. Take it off the heat and add in the cheese, stirring some of it into the egg mixture. You'll then transfer the pan into the center of a 400-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the eggs are set. Take it out of the oven and allow it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. All that's left to do is plate it up. This frittata is delicious warm, cold, or room temperature, and it's a great way to give life to your leftovers. Thanks so much for watching, and leave a comment letting me know what recipe you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.